ChatGPT Atlas can summarize almost any web page, and I'll show you how to do it in just one click. I'll also show you what happens when it doesn't work and how to handle that too. So first, we obviously need to be in ChatGPT Atlas, and today I'm curious about the Rotten Tomatoes reviews of the greatest adaptation of all time, Eragon. So now we're at the Rotten Tomatoes page for Eragon, clearly the greatest movie of all time. So now I want it to summarize all these reviews and basically everything on this page. What we're gonna do is in the upper right, click Ask ChatGPT. It's gonna bring up this sidebar, and I'm just gonna type in, summarize this page. Now you can see it's giving me pretty much everything you would want to know, but that's honestly just about the same as going through the reviews myself. So next, we can customize the output. Next, I'm gonna ask it, explain this to me like I'm 10. And there you have it, a more summarized review. But let's say I'm just curious about the audience reviews. Can you summarize the audience reviews? I agree. But here's the catch. Some websites, especially big news and media sites, block AI tools from reading their content. So for example, let's look up ChatGPT Atlas, go to news, and let's pick this one by CNET. So now when I go to Ask ChatGPT, you'll see this little error or warning icon. ChatGPT is unable to access the contents of this website. And that's not a bug. It's because some websites block bots, but you still have options. You could try the same topic on another site, or you could also copy and paste the text of the article and paste it into here. So that's how to summarize pages with ChatGPT Atlas and what to do when it doesn't work. I was thinking of covering more Atlas tips like memory tricks, agent mode, and keyboard hacks. So if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments or any other questions you have about OpenAI's new browser. I'm really interested in this topic, so I'm down to make a video on basically anything you're curious about. Anyways, that's about it. See you.